in the country to be allowed to generate their own energy using micro-turbines. A pioneering agreement is being drawn up between council planning departments that should provide enough renewable energy to power every one of the 80,000 houses expected to be built in the area by 2020. Peter Henley reports.
When John Chadbone goes to do the washing, he's got an eye on the weather, but not to check if it's good for drying, but because the electricity for his washing machine comes from the wind. He's the proud owner of the first working home wind turbine in the south. The house was renovated by a housing association and John moved in this week.
We were told that it was a new scheme that would be saving us money, so we were quite keen to go for it. So anything that saves me money has got to be a good thing.
A wind turbine should cut bills by 15%. The problem is the complicated system for getting planning permission. But they could become as simple to put up as a satellite dish if the government agreed to a change in the law. And when the Minister for Climate Change came to see John's turbine close up, he seemed to agree a better system should be found.
Well, I think there's a lot that we can do to encourage the take-up of new technology like this for some of the small wind turbines, whether you actually need planning applications at all.
There's a big demand. We know that literally hundreds and maybe even thousands of people already want to have something like a wind turbine on their roof, but are discouraged by having to pay the planning costs and go through the planning applications, and it adds a lot of cost to the investment.
With energy prices rising, wind turbines could pay back their £1,500 cost even more quickly. And South Hampshire councils hope that if the government agree, they can ensure easy planning permission for both new and existing houses. Peter Henley, BBC South Today, Southampton.
Now, we might be, or you might be, experiencing some problems with our telephone number, so I'm just going to